Here I have REDMI Note 12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can don't wake screen for notifications, you can turn on or turn off always on display. You can turn off this mode when your device is up to 50% or fully charged. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode. Select start time, end time, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.